Yo, what is going on, you guys? It has been a minute, but I'm finally back. And today, I brought you guys a special treat. Today, we're going to be opening up 2020 NFL Chronicles football. It's got 40 cards, 8 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Yeah, let's get right into it. But yeah. The nice thing about Chronicles is this box is loaded with rookies. So even if you don't get a huge one, you're still going to get quite a few. But could turn out to be something down the road. Alright, let's get started. Yeah, hopefully get some Herbert magic. That'd be nice. Let's see, what the hell is that? What is this? I do not know what that is. But okay, here we go. Yeah. Set that right there. Give her a little shuffle. Mix it up a bit. Alrighty. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get some first pack mojo. Come on, baby. Alright, we got Keenan Allen, Jim Kelly, Kenneth Murray, first rookie. That's not a bad looking card. And we got a Justin Jefferson Dynagon. That's a sick looking one. It's a solid player. And we got Zach Moss. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna have to sleeve that bad boy up. But yeah, nice card. Alright, off to a decent start. Yeah, if I get a Herbert Prism, I'm gonna lose my shit. Alrighty, so we got Michael Thomas, Antonio Gibson, Devontae Adams green, and our first rated rookie clearly is Denzel Mims. But yeah, those clearly Donruss, those are pretty sick looking cards. As you can see right through them. Solid. Alright, and at the back, LaMichael P. Ryan. Alright. Alright, next up we got Juju Smith-Schuster. Rookie card of James Morgan. Behind that is Josh Jacobs. And behind that, I think I saw it. Oh, no, I didn't. Jeff Okudah.
Who in the blue hell are you?
And behind that, Jalen Rager. Alright. It's not anything huge yet, but hopefully there's a Prism Black in here that spices things up a bit. Alright, we got Ray Lewis. CeeDee Lamb rookie card. Nice. Tanny. And behind that, we got playoff Jordan Love. There we go. As a Packer fan, you love to see that. And behind that is Gabriel Davis. But yeah, I'm gonna get that bad boy sleeved up. But yeah, those playoff clear ones too. Those are solid looking. Alright. Alright, we got 4 packs to go. Oh, there's a silver prism here. Alright. Cam Newton. Jarvis Landry. Antonio Gibson. And it's a Bronco. Jerry Jeudy, Prism Black. Alright, so that's not a bad one. I'll take that on. And a Denzel Mims. It's not a bad card. Jerry Jeudy is a decent player. One of the better ones in the class. I wish it would have been Herbert, but what are you gonna do? But yeah, sick looking card. Alright, 3 packs left. You gotta get a Burrow or Herbert. You just gotta. Alright. Another Jordan Love. Alright. So this is looking like a Jordan Love box. Alright, so Jordan Love, Chronicles, AJ Brown, Isaiah Simmons. Behind that, oh, is this a clearly rated of the man himself? Nope, never mind. Anthony McFarland and Jeremy Chin. Jeez, I keep getting me hyped up all for nothing.
You want to see me do it again?
They're bullies over at Panini. Come on, sucker, open up. Is that, nope, there, Evans at the back. Or we got Mike Evans, Derek Carr, behind that, Zach Moss, behind that, rated rookie, Brandon Ayuk. There's a decent, clearly rated rookie. But yeah, Brandon Ayuk, not a bad card. And behind that is a T. Higgins. Alright, I'll get this one sleeved up. Alright, come on. Best for last. Come on, baby. Come on. Gotta get a Herbert. He's been following me. Oh, Silver Magic. Maybe it is best for last. Derrick Henry. Jake Fromm. Ben Roethlisberger. Oh, is it? I think it is. No, it's T. Higgins, but that's a decent one too. And J.K. Dobbins at the back. But yeah, T. Higgins. He's not healthy now, but when he's healthy, he had a pretty good rookie year. Let's leave that bad boy out. But yeah, solid card. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Kind of struck out a little bit with the rookie quarterbacks, but you know, it's all good. We'll get it back in the next one. Alright, if you haven't already, please subscribe and like, and yeah, have a good day. Peace out, guys.
Yeah, but you ain't right till you beat that damn.